Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how do I write the most frequent Chinese character 是. Now let's get started. In regular script, 是 it means M is R. And yes, or right. 是. Now, in running script, write it like this. Check. In many cases, I'd write it like this. Now let's see the following 5 different words and expressions with the character 是. First one, 国士. It means national affairs. "国事 national affairs. 是非 是非 means right and wrong. 是 right, 非 wrong. 正是 just about. 'The very. 但是 but. Last one for today. 倒是 means actually. 是 M is R. Yes, right. 国事 national affairs. 是非 right and wrong. 正是 just about, the very. 但是 but. 倒是 actually. Can you make up any other words with the Chinese character 是? Let me know in a comment below. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.